everybody, Logan Jr. Chef here, and today I'm cooking on my Aspire by Hestan barbecue grill, and you will not believe what I'm making today. Today I'm making some donut French toast. Now you're probably thinking there, Logan, once again, what are you going to do now? Are you going to be pulling out the salt block on me? Because there's no way you are putting donut French toast on barbecue grill. Well, I happen to have a secret thing that got sent to me. This amazing griddle pan. Now this is what turns my grill into a flat top. This is a really cool accessory here. My first time using it, so I'm pretty pumped. So, donut French toast here. I'm gonna add in my Mexican vanilla. A friend of me got this. They're really nice. Thank you, Sasha. And they add a nice amount. Mexican vanilla is really nice. I'm adding this to my egg and cream mixture, giving it a whisk. You can start to see the color change on it. And now I'm just gonna take my donuts. Now these are still donuts left over from the weekend. You know, they're just kind of here. Now I'm gonna flip them. And here we go. Almost there. Start to see them getting all nice and ready and eggy. I'm gonna give them a minute to set in there. Make sure that they really absorb that egg mixture to get that delicious, soft French toast feel, because these are a little stale. And I've done that because I want them to be firmer and to stand up to the egg mixture better than fresh ones. Now, donuts are one of those things that I really love eating, and they're one of my few desserts that I actually enjoy actually eating. All the rest, like cake, it's not that good. I mean, I like donuts, cheesecake, and ice cream, and that's about all the sweets I enjoy. So, I think it's time to start cooking. So, got a little bit of oil. Now, I've chosen a higher smoke point oil here, so I believe that this is just a little bit of peanut. Oh. Alright, that looks pretty hot to me. Now I've chosen the higher smoke point oil because this thing's probably going to be really hot. Oh. Oh wow. Oh wow. This is pretty fun. I've always wanted to do this. That's one. Let's go. Give them a little bit more oil. You can start to smell them. They're starting to smell good. I think I'm going to turn up the heat a little bit. It's pretty fun. Hey guys, welcome back. So, my donut French toast is getting really close to being done. I'm flipping them right now. You can start to see I've got some great caramelization on here. Flat tops cooked them up great. And now I've flipped them, so I'm going to cook the other side. They're really close to being done. I just want a little kiss of heat on the other side. Then I'm going to plate them up. They're going to look fabulous. And yeah. So we're almost there, and you know, once you get done using the flat top with the donut French toast, you can start cooking some eggs on there, some bacon. You do all sorts of great things. You can do sandwiches. So I'm pretty hyped to start cooking on the flat top. I've always wanted to, but I've always looked at the price of the flat top machine and been like, oh my god, it's so expensive. So I'm so happy to have it, and it just fits right on the top of my Aspire by Hestan grill, and looks phenomenal. So I'm going to plate these guys up now. Got this guy, got that, this one, give him a little bit of a flip. This one, keep him, because he's got some nice, ooh, hot. And this one, I think I'm going to flip him. Remove my powdered sugar duster. Oh, look at that, you can see, it's beautiful. Now, just going to give it the dust of powdered sugar. Now I'm just using a little fancy strainer, a little bit of a dusting. Oh, look at that. A little bit more. Boom. And there you have it. Voila. Delicious donut French toast with leftover donuts. If you got some stale donuts, just do this. You do it in a pan, but on my Aspire by Hestan grill with the flat top attachment. Just nailed it. Anyway, guys, bon appetit. I'll catch you on the flip side.